Well, we have another section called Pro Tips.
Pro Tips.
And Pro Tips is for the newbie, somebody not so different from you 7 or 8 months ago, where they're looking to buy their first laundromat. Do you have any advice for them?
Get educated. You can get free education on YouTube. Watching, I like following Keenan, Chock full of quarters. There I fixed it. Your podcast, of course. Every laundromat can be different. Just because one person runs theirs one way doesn't mean you have to run it that way. Do what works for you, but be consistent. And that's the most important thing. And your customers will know how consistent you are. And that's what really pays off. So spend the time on YouTube watching those videos and find the type of laundromat you want to own. Yeah,
that's great advice. Great advice. And those are all awesome YouTube channels. I'll link to all of those. If you haven't checked them out, you can just click on those links. Those will be in the show notes, or if you're on YouTube already, it'll be down in the description. Go check those out, give them a subscribe, and learn a lot from those guys. They're all doing a lot of cool stuff.
Awesome.